Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote desktop platform, which is Splashtop and RealVNC Connect. So to get started with a quick analysis, Splashtop is a top choice for user needing high-speed remote access with a strong performance in video, audio, and a multi-monitor setup. It's great for schools, businesses, and creatives who rely on smooth real-time screen control. It's also secured, easy to install, and offering a strong value for teams thanks to its budget-friendly pricing and a reliable mobile access. So talking about the RealVNC Connect, on the other hand, is known for its strong security and enterprise-grade encryption. It's a trusted option for IT professionals and businesses needing a secure, cloud-based, or a direct remote access. While its setup may feel more technical for casual users, it excels in regulation industries and offers a solid compatibility across the operating system. And here's a very conclusion about this platform. So you can simply go with the Splashtop for ease of use, strong performance, and a better streaming quality. I'll probably go with the RealVNC Connect if the top-tier security, enterprise control, and secure direct connections are your priority. And that's it.